my channel, El Troquero Locochon. We already picked up in Iowa and we're heading now back to drop off in Sacramento. One partial we picked up, and then we're gonna head down to San Jose to drop off these two backhoes we picked up. That we're carrying, its gross weight is around 38,000 pounds. As you can see right here, we're cross-chained. And we have some straps right here holding down the buckets. And that's about it, man. It just requires a couple chains, couple tie downs, and just to make sure nothing's shifting for the hydraulics.
My name is Adrian from here in Sacramento. What you want to do is pretty much after you checked over the machine, make sure it's good to start. You're just going to press that button, and that's just a switch on. What it's going to do is checks, and then you're going to start it. That's it. Just raise up the front bucket. You want to make sure you lift up the front bucket.
Okay.
And then you just pull it back with the handle.
Pull it back.
Right now we can move it because we're on the trailer, but I mean normally you would have the backhoe part would be up, and at that point you would just press this button right here with the part, that one. You would press it, and then wait till the light comes off. It will come off over here too, so it'll be activated. After you press the button, it'll go off. That means that the park brake is disengaged. Then you can get to this lever over here as a forward and neutral and reverse lever. You would just put it forward and then you can drive. Okay. But right now we can't because we're on a trailer.
Yeah, because we're locked up in the chains.
Alright, that's it. And then you always want to make sure you put all your so you don't have any hydraulic power
Or failure, right?
Yeah.
Especially when parked in here. I appreciate that, man.
Yeah, no worries. Have a good